talked about this a lot, but we'll just look at it real quick since it's easy to do on this one. So here's my TDC mark, and I want to take the number 2 piston out, roll it all the way to top dead center, you know, roll the crank over and get it to where that, you can put a pin down at anything you want, dial indicator, and get it to where it doesn't move at all. That's your TDC. These pulleys and crankshafts wear, and this TDC mark will get off. So then take and get, you know, wherever your TDC is, put yourself a new mark on there. Then 18 to 20 degrees, which 20 degrees is 900 thousandths if you don't have a spot on the block. 900 thousandths of an inch is 20 degrees. Most of these cars are about 18 to 20. 20 if you're high altitude, 18 if you're low altitude, sea level stuff. I'll use a lock distributor. Then the other thing is you've got a tab on here, this tab right here. That lines up your number 2 plug wire. You want to make sure your rotor is facing this 2 right here, the center one, so the middle one right here. And we've seen every now and then it's hard to do, but you can get these wires backwards. So it's middle, front, rear. So we're rotating clockwise. So there's the middle, there should be the front plug wire, and rear. If you get them backwards, it'll run, it just won't run well. We had a guy fighting that like mad for quite a while and finally figured out, you know, the thing would run backwards, it would do just really weird stuff, and it was the front and the rear were mixed. So there you go.